Welcome everyone, I'm glad you're here. Today I am excited to share the vision for a new design school, unlike any other, the School of Nature Design India. This school is entirely devoted to exploring and practicing design through nature, and within nature. Our sustainable design program offers students a deeply immersive experience where learning takes place directly in natural environments. Rather than relying on digital tools, equipment, or platforms, all creative exploration will be grounded in hands-on experiences at real, living locations across India. The School of Nature Design is built on the belief that nature itself is the greatest designer, offering timeless systems, patterns, and wisdom. Students will learn by observing, interacting with, and creating alongside the natural world, gaining insights into sustainable and regenerative design practices that honor the earth. This is India's first pure, nature-based design education, a bold step toward rethinking how and where we learn to design sustainably. The symbol comprises a single dot, 4 circles, and a neutral color palette. The 4 circles and central dot represent the 5 fundamental elements of nature: water, fire, air, sky, and earth. Additionally, the 4 circles symbolize the 4 cardinal directions of India: north, east, south, and west. All elements converge at the center through the dot, symbolizing the core of the earth. The use of a neutral color reflects calmness, balance, and serenity. Together, the elements of the symbol express the themes of creation, collaboration, and celebration between humanity and nature, honoring the profound relationship we share with our planet, Mother Earth. The School of Nature Design, India offers a unique 3-year sustainable design course in nature design. Year 1 year of embracing, designed by nature. This 1 year aims to nurture creativity in its purest form through direct inspiration from nature and to promote a sustainable and authentic design approach rooted in natural harmony and ecological sensitivity. Year 2, Year of Exploring, designed by communities. The 2nd-year courses enable students to explore the interaction between design and human activities within various environments, to cultivate an appreciation for harmonious coexistence between communities, culture, and the environment through design. Year 3, Year of Expressing, designed by people. The 3rd and last year course structure focuses to apply design knowledge and skills in real-time scenarios, enhancing practical learning and execution, to develop problem-solving skills through experiential learning and adaptability in diverse work environments. Each year, upon completion of the Nature Design course, all student learnings and creations will be presented in a culminating showcase titled Creation, Collaboration, and Celebration. This final exhibition will reflect the students' journey, experiences, and deep connection with nature developed throughout the course. So stay connected with me, as I will continue to share many more ideas and insights on nature-based design and natural creativity through the School of Nature Design. I also encourage you to share your own thoughts and ideas here. Your voice and vision are an important part of this journey. Let's keep meeting with the same passion and enthusiasm as we explore more about nature's creations and creative possibilities in the upcoming episodes of School of Nature Design, India. Goodbye.